In this video we will look at how to show more types of markers on your compass. Let's start with creating more icons that you could use. I make some that could be widely used and you can do different ones. The first one is an icon representing a town. Just a little house filled with white. The second one is a point of interest represented by an exclamation mark. And the last one is an icon representing quests. When you have done yours, move to Unreal. Open Content Browser, right-click, under Blueprint, select Enumeration and name it E_compass marker type. This enum will store every type of marker that we can use. First will be none, that is for actors that could be shown in the compass but aren't now. For example, NPC that could have an active quest for you but doesn't right now. Next enumerators will be enemy, town, point of interest, and quest 1, quest 2 and quest 3. Next create a structure f_compass marker information that will be passing down information from character blueprint to HUD. The first variable is type, and variable type is our new enum E_compass marker type. The second one is rotation at target of float type. As a third one you can add sidelock of boolean type if you want to have an option to sidelock any type of marker. I will do sidelock according to the type of marker, so I don't add it. Now we want to know which marker we should use for which actor displayed on our compass. So, create a new blueprint interface and name it BPI_compass target. Name new function get information about compass marker. Add output parameter, type, and change it to our enum E_compass marker type. As before, you can add output parameter sidelock of boolean type if you want to do sidelock according to the type of marker. Add another function, set information about compass marker, and here add input parameter type of E_compass marker type. For the test, I use the blueprint of our enemy, so open it, click the class settings, add our new interface to it, and let's implement its functions. To get information about compass marker, I just promote type the variable and rename it the compass marker type. And set information about compass marker type will set this new variable according to its input. This is an enemy blueprint, so make sure that the default value is set to an enemy. We created a new structure, but we don't use it yet. So move the character blueprint and let's update the function update compass markers. Disconnect all connections with array compass markers so we don't get any errors. And change its variable type to f_compass marker information. Reconnect compass markers to add node and split struct pin of the second input pin. Into rotation at target goes return value z again, and we need to get type now. Move all nodes after isValid to the right and make some space. After isValid, add get information about compass marker, connect input parameter target with return value of find the nearest actor, and output type connect the type pin on add node. It should look like this. Compass markers reconnect to the reverse node, and before we finish this function, we also need to update the function update compass markers of HUD, so open it. Disconnect all connections with output parameter compass markers and change its type to f_compass marker information. Array element will change, so disconnect it and connect compass markers in the array and length. You might want to update more visual aspects of a marker, so make a new function for it and name it update marker visuals. Add input parameter, name it compass marker information and change it to single f compass marker information. Add another input parameter, name it marker and change it to image. We want to set the brush according to the type of marker, so move the function add compass marker and remove set brush because we will set it in our new function. Back to the update marker visuals function. Here add the set brush node that we just removed and connect the input marker with target. Now we want to change in brush according to the type of marker that we get from compass marker information. Add a new variable, name it something like marker type brushes, and change its type to eCompass marker type. Now we would only have the enum, but not the brushes for set brush. So instead of single or array, we can use map. The map has two values. On the left side is a key value, which is unique, and on the right side is the value we want to get according to the key. You can think of it as an advanced switch on enum, where you would only want to change the brush value. So, change the second value from integer to the variable that InBrush wants, that is slate brush structure, and hit compile. Add a map element, and because every value on the left must be unique, the none value lets me add elements in the order I have them in enum. So add map elements for our enum values, except none. To each element, set a corresponding image. For quests, I use tint and set it so the quest 1 is red, the quest 2 is green, and the quest 3 is blue. Now add in get marker type brushes, and out of it add find node. Split struct pin of input compass marker information and connect type into the second input pin of find node. Out of the boolean output pin of find node, add branch, connect it after start of function, true connect with set brush, and the first output pin of find node connect into in brush of set brush. Here we can set marker position, so add it in. Connect execution pins, marker, and rotation at target. I want the side lock according to the marker type, so let's adjust the set marker position function. First, delete the branch with not node. Then, rename the input pin variable sidelock, the type, and change it to eCompass marker type that we will get passed down in update marker visuals. Move all nodes below the start function level down, out of type add switch on, and expand it so you see all options. Now, the types of markers that won't be side-locked go into top set position, and the ones that will be side-locked go into the first branch. So for me, none, enemy, down, and point of interest will not be side-locked, and all of requests will. Hit compile, move back to update marker visuals function, and connect both types. We can also debug a bit, so when everything goes well, set visibility of input marker to visible. And if we didn't find the marker type, set visibility of input marker to hidden. This would mean that the type was none or undefined in marker type brushes. That could happen, for example, when you would add more types, but forgot to add them in the marker type brushes. This function is done, so move the update compass marker function, delete set marker position nodes with connected set visibility, and replace them accordingly with update marker visuals. It should look like this. Now we can finally move the character blueprint and connect compass markers. Hit compile and save the project. Go to the enemy blueprint and for the test, make the variable compass marker type public. In the level, for each enemy instance, just set it to a different marker type and let's test it. The different types work, as well as the side locking. And we're done here. If this video was helpful to you, give it a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Anyway, good luck with your project, thanks for watching, and see you in the next part or in another video. Bye!